Good morning. Now, this is the condition of the plants after the rainy season. The plants are less in number, but the weeds are more in number. And so, the tremendous task of removing the weeds began soon after the rainy season. All the plants are looking beautiful green, but with lots of weeds. And each one seems to say that, oh, please, please, remove my weeds. I'm weeded. Please remove the weeds. So here I am removing the weeds. This is Mogra plant. It had given flowers 2 times, but now I think after the rains it has gone into dormancy. Probably after adding some more manure, I'm expecting more flowers from this plant. This is another collection of mine. I don't know the name of the plant, but every monsoon it gives beautiful flowers. However, this year I think excessive rain stopped the flowers from flowering. So we are waiting for more to come. Only one plant has given these 2 shades of the flowers. Thank you. This is my third Mogra plant. It had also given enough flowers, but again it has gone into dormancy. Now, along with this Mogra, I had planted this hibiscus giving pink flowers. So I think the buds are coming up, and so now the plant will be flowering again. But however, due to rainy season, all kinds of pest attacks are creating issues. Like you can see the holes in the leaves. I think it's because of the pest, or it may be due to excessive rain also. The rain drops were too huge this time. We had excessive rain. Now you can see the plants are less healthy and the weeds have become more healthy. In this pot I have planted a chili plant along with this flowering plant. Though this flowering plant gave me buds, but flowers did not come in large numbers. The fragrance of the flower was awesome. However, they were very few in number. The chili plant gave me chilies. I have picked few of them in the morning, and I'm expecting more harvest in the near future after the removal of the weeds and adding of some manure. Probably the harvest is going to improve, but let's see, wait and watch. Nature cannot be given command. Nature works in its own way. Do whatever you like. Nature will show that I'm superior to you. Now this is another flowering plant. It has got bulbs and plant like ginger, but the flowers are white in color and they are beautiful, plus with the fragrance. Side by side I had some cosmos. They have also dried up, and as I said, these pink flowers, they should have come in large numbers, but due to excessive rain they are less in number this year. So I'm waiting for more. And see, there is a bird coming in my garden. You can view this bird. See there, I hope the bird is visible. Today my gardener cleaned the vegetable area, and I think the birds have got their feed today. Let me show you the bulb of this plant. I think I have to uproot it and plant somewhere where it gets more space, because this spot seems to become too crowded, and therefore I was greedy and I have planted so many plants in this spot. So I think I'll have to uproot the plant and plant it somewhere in this another larger pot, so that it gets space, because it's going to flower in winters and spread its fragrance in the whole garden. So I think I have to plant this Mexican petunia, I suppose it is called, which gives pink flowers. So I'm waiting for this to flower soon. Another pitiable condition of my pot, you can see, actually I have got a gardener. However, the gardener is too busy with the vegetable area, because I can't maintain that. It's too heavy for me. So the pots, I tell him that don't worry. He looks at the pots, he feels like maintaining the pots. However, I tell him that don't worry, my pots I'll look after, and look after the land area, that is the vegetable area. This time we had a good harvest of bitter gourd. I think I got from one plant about 60 to 70 bitter gourds, shared with my family and friends. And however, again there was some pest attack. I don't know from where that lovely pest comes and lays the eggs, and then the larva, it eats away all the bitter gourd leaves. I don't know how tasty do they find. So my plant has, I can show you the plant. It has almost dried up though. See, you can see the eggs. I think I can show you somewhere eggs here. This particular insect eats away all the leaves of this so-called bitter gourd. So yesterday I had removed all the leaves, though I had applied pesticide, but pesticide not work upon it. You can see what kind of insect that is. So this is the one of the insects egg. You can see, I can show you this egg. This is one which is eating away all my bitter gourd and killed my plant almost. So I'm waiting for new leaves to come and give me another harvest. Let's wait and watch. This is a new collection in my garden. The shopkeeper who sold this plant said that it is called Jalpari. It's going to shine at night. The plant has survived. However, I have not come to check at night whether it shines or not. This is another of my snake plant. I think it is a cylindrical snake plant. I had purchased one small one, and now out of that two huge ones are coming. But I think this plant requires space, unlike other snake plants, because it has got pointed leaves and it needs space. This is my coleus. You can see how huge the coleus has become with excessive rain, as I said again. Now today I'm going to clean the weeds for that plant also. This suppose Montessera. Let's see. The alarm is saying it's time now. The alarm says stop working now in the garden, as it's time to look after other things in the household. Bye bye. See you in another video.